Okay. Now, share me your, click on start the machine. Now the machine has been started. Okay. Now there is another scenario. Go back to the machine. There is some another scenario. In the machine on the left hand side, expand the connect. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, expand. Go to the machine. Okay, very good. Scroll down. On the left blade, show me what all options we have. Okay. Now scroll down. Do you see security operations? Expand all the options. Okay, scroll down. Oh, it is not there. Release Kalyani. Wait, I'm adding people. Scroll up. In the search box, okay, on the top you see type disk, DISK. DISK. Okay, okay, it is under setting. Remove that. Remove disk. Now go back to settings. Now click on disk. Okay. Now let's say we have a disk. Okay, when we created this virtual machine, we got a disk of 127 GB. Okay. So let's say that we get a requirement from client that 127 GB is not enough. We need more space. Okay, now click on disk, the blue color. So what we do, 127 GB. On the left hand side, go to settings, expand settings. No, settings. Expand. Don't type, expand. Okay, expand. You click on size and performance. So let's say if they told that 128 GB is not sufficient, you want something more. So what is the next size available? 256
256.
GB. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay. But here, you see? Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Custom disk size. You can customize your disk size as well. Now mention 50 GB, 60 GB. See, what does it say? Reducing disk size is not supported in Azure to prevent data loss. So it will not allow us to reduce the disk. It will only allow us to increase the disk. Now mention 150 GB. Changing of the disk size can only be made when the disk is unattached or the virtual machines are deallocated. So what does it say? That you can't increase the disk. You can't increase the disk.
This.
Now what we are going to do is we are going to create, we are going to increase the disk. Okay. But before that, we are going to what? Stop the virtual machine.
Okay.
Okay. Now, before stopping the virtual machine, we wanted to do one more practical. This is the OS disk. This is my C drive. Let's say customer is telling that I want 500 GB of additional hard disk. So what you will do? You will create your own disk. Now go to in the search bar in the search box, type disk, disk. Click on disk. Yeah, the first option. That's okay. Click OK. Now click on create. Which resource group? Click on resource group. Select any resource group. Don't create new. Select the existing. Select that Akib resource group. Akib admin.
This one.
Okay. Disk name. Uh, D drive. D drive. Okay. What is the region? West Europe or North Europe? North Europe. Hmm. Now zone. What do you see zone? No infrastructure. What is the source type? Disk. No. Don't select source type. First, next to source type, there is an circle I button, I option next to source type, where the source type is written. No,
Yes.
Left side.
on the left side. Source type, wherein you see the word source type, there you see a small circle. Read.
The type of Azure resource to use
Used
for
as a source. Now, which source we are using? In the source type in new. Check out what all options we have. Now, are we creating this from any source? No, we are not creating disk from any source. We are creating a disk as none. This is a new disk, none. Okay. Now click on change size. Do you want 1 TB? What is the client requirement? 512 GB.
12 GB.
Click on 512 GB. Click on OK. Now next, click on next encryption. Okay. Now click on next networking. Now there are some options in the networking. Enable public access from all networks. Disable public access and enable private access. And disable public and private access. Click on advanced. Now what does it say? Allow the disk to be attached to two or more virtual machine. So what we are going to do is we are going to click no as if now. But there is an option that we could share the same disk with multiple virtual machine. If the virtual machine, while creating virtual machine, if we select the correct instance where they have this capability. Okay. Now click on tag, click on review and create. Don't select any environment as if now. Click on create. Now duplicate tab. Very good. Okay, see, our deployment is complete. Now in that duplicate tab, go to virtual machine. Now go to the virtual machine. Uh, Go to collapse that one. Very good. Now go to settings, click on disk. Very good. Now here you see there are two options data disk. Create and attach a new disk or attach existing disk. So either you can create from here or either you can create from the disk option that we have seen recently, that how we created a disk. Now click on attach existing disk. Hello, attach existing disk. Where your mouse pointer is, no, next to right, next to the pointer, you will see attach existing disk. What happened?
I
I
think
see screen is
generator
not
issue.
visible. Screen is not visible. I don't know what happened. Akib, what happened, Akib? Hello. Anyone who else who would like to volunteer if Akib's screen is not working? Hello.
Arshad shared.
Okay. Go to virtual machine. Now click on that one. Yeah, virtual machine. On the left hand side, left blade. Yeah, setting then disk. Now attach existing disk. You see, this is the drive. Now click on apply. 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 Okay. Okay. Now turn off. Turn off the machine. Switch no on the overview. Click on overview. Yes. Click on stop. Uh, yes. Once the machine is stopped, let me know. No, don't restart. It is stopping. It is stopping. You see, on the no. You see your name Arshad Sheikh at the rate extreme right, extreme top right hand corner. Okay, on the left hand side, you see number three bell icon. Yeah, that is the notification. Click on it. You see that it is still stopping.
Okay.
Keep now the machine is being stopped. Okay. Now go on
Okay.
the left hand side. Close this one. Close the notification bar. Notification. Close that one. Okay. On the left hand side, go to disk settings. Disk. Now the first one. OS. Yeah. OS disk. Click on it. On the left hand side, settings. Configuration. Size and performance. Yeah. Size and performance. Now you receive a request that you wanted to change your disk size. Wait, it is loading.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Custom. Scroll down. 150 GB. 150 GB. Okay. Select a performance to upgrade. Click on it. What does it say? P15. Click on P15. Yeah,
What is this
P15.
P15 2030?
I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Now, on the left hand side, you see the size. Okay. On
Mm.
the right hand side, you see tier P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay.
Yes.
It is a performance tier. Uh, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Then you see provision IOPS, IOPS. What do you mean by IOPS? It is input, output, processing, speed.
Okay.
And then there is a throughput. For an example, if the data is writing, uh, if you are writing a data, okay, or if you are saving a data on the disk, and if you are pasting a data, I mean to say, if you are sending a data outside of your disk, it is self-explanatory. Input, output, processing speed. So more the number of IOPS, the speed would be increase. Example, you might have heard a memory card. If you go in a phone shop and if you buy a memory card, it gives you class 1, class 2, class 3 memory card. And those memory card, they have got a certain speed. So what is that speed? It is IOPS. Read write
Mm.
per second, you might have heard. If you buy
Yes.
a hard disk, external hard disk. Okay. So that is a speed. Now, what is the maximum number of share? Now, next to share, do you see I with a circle? Read that. What?
Attach an
Read it.
Azure manage
Hmm.
disk to multiple virtual machines simultaneously. Attach a manage disk to multiple VMs allows you to either deploy new or migrate existing clusters
So
application to Azure.
that means it is three shares. You can
Mm.
attach this maximum three times, not more than that. So you can share with
Okay.
a three VMs, not more than that. Scroll down, scroll down. Now, if you go with which one? 16 GIB, with 16 TB hard disk, you will
Mm.
get 10 shares. If you go with 32 TB hard disk, you will get 10 shares. If you go with 4 TB hard disk, you will get 5 shares. And 1 TB is also 5 share. But 512 GB is maximum 3 share. 3. Scroll up. Maximum burst IOPS. Do you see I icon? Click on it. Uh, it is going to boost your IOPS throughput. It is totally the speed. How much the speed is. Scroll down and scroll right. Scroll right. Scroll up now. Okay. See, these are the maximum throughput. Provision throughput is 25. Maximum it would burst up to 170. Any questions, guys? Anything that you don't understand? Please ask me.
No.
Sure, everyone?
Yes.
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 Okay. All right. Great. Now click on
Alex,
OK Save. Yes, someone is telling something. I missed that. And
Mentioned
my
by,
yeah,
sorry,
1 minute, Deepak.
Arshad.
1 minute.
Okay.
Arshad bhai, do one thing. Once the disk is updated, see, disk is updated. Go to the machine. Uh, Click on that. Refresh from top. Go into the machine. Hmm. Go back to the disk again. Settings disk. Okay. Click on refresh on top. Okay. Now you see the size 150 GB. Size is increased.
yes.
Now start the machine. Yes, Deepak, please tell me.
You said we can give disk size only three machines.
Sharing, share.
Okay.
You can share one data disk.
Okay.
Okay.
With
You can,
only three machines,
yeah, with only
it
three machine.
allows.
Yeah. It is
And
a
what
sharing. It is a
if
sharing.
there is requirement on more machines?
So go with more space. Go with 1 TB. It gives you 5 shares.
Okay.
Real time they don't do this thing. Real example they don't do. Have you started the machine? Now remember guys, whatever we are doing no on Azure
Yes.
portal outside the machine, whatever the changes are related to the machine, we have to do it inside.
Mm.
Other than RAM or CPU, for disk we have to change it from inside. I'll tell you how to do it. Once the machine is started, copy that IP. Now who would like to volunteer? Arshad bhai is done. Jalis is done. Deepak is done. Who else would like to volunteer?
I will volunteer.
Akib, you have already volunteered. See why I'm asking you to volunteer, guys. I don't mind. I could do it. Okay. In fact, I would be much faster when I do things, but you guys will not understand. So at least each one of you, if you are doing this task, at least you will understand that you yourself have done this. So you won't forget that easily.
Hussein bhai, I can do, but I have
Sorry, your voice is,
some
there is a lot of disturbance.
network
I am not
issue.
able to hear you.
I not
Hello?
do.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you. Let's do one thing. Arshad bhai, you only continue, okay? Copy that
Yes.
IP, public IP. Keep copying that IP. Refresh. Refresh. It is starting. You see the status starting? That means the machine is not yet started. Next to delete, you see refresh. Click on refresh. Next to delete. Connect, stop, delete, refresh. Yeah, click on it. We are making changes on the hardware level, no? That's why it is
Yeah.
taking time to start. Try to refresh it from the portal. Uh, from there. It is still starting. Arshad bhai, on the left hand side, left blade, scroll down, extreme bottom. Click on help, extreme, yeah. Boot diagnostic. This is very important. It will give you the status of the machine. Click on refresh. Click on refresh one more time. Okay, do RDP to that machine. RDP. It is not accepting the connection. It is still starting. On the left hand side, click on overview. See, it is not dead. Click OK. And so scroll up. Click on overview. Refresh
Testing
from
started.
top. Refresh from top to starting. Sometimes it takes longer time to start. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
So Hussein bhai,
Mhm.
anything if we do to resize the disk, so before that we need to stop the system, then start the system. Is it
While adding a disk,
necessary?
it is not necessary. But if you are doing any changes on the OS
Okay.
disk you are increasing. That means you already have the operating system. Okay.
Mhm.
So operating system is there. So if you don't stop and if you make live, first of all, Azure doesn't allow us to make live changes. Okay. It will ask
Okay.
you to stop and then see now it is running. Now if you see machine is in running status. Click on refresh.
Yes.
Now take
Yes.
RDP. Hmm.
This is something different.
Hmm. Check the IP address. Is it the same IP address?
Oh.
Type in
User,
Azure
Azure
user.
user, right?
Azure user. Enter password. Click on OK. Yes. Click on. Okay. Now you are inside the machine.
Yes.
Now I will show you over here. Okay. Um, go to that Windows button. Uh, Click on it. Go to now on the you see those nine titles. Bottom you see File Explorer. File Explorer on the right hand side. You see nine options: Server Manager, PowerShell IC, File Explorer. There, File
Hmm.
Explorer. Click on it. Very good. Just click on this PC. You only see there are only two drive. Now you see we have increased to 150, but it is not yet increased. It is showing
Yes.
only 126 GB. And we have attached the drive, but it is not showing over here. Why it is not showing? Now in the search icon, type run, 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 run. Enter. Okay. Type in disk, disk, mgmt, disk, mgmt dot msc. Enter. Now this will give you the disk.
Ah.
Sorry. Okay. Cancel. Wait. Cancel this one. Now how many disk you see? Now you see for C drive, it is showing what? For C drive, it is showing extra
Windows.
23 GB, 126. No, no, no. Bottom, you see disk
Okay, here.
0. Yeah, here you see
Yes.
unallocated. That means 20,
23 GB.
127. Yeah. So right click on that one. Right click on that C drive. No, no, right click on that C drive. Uh, right click. Now click on extend volume. Extend volume. Now click on next. Uh, Now, you see maximum available space. Yeah, click on next. Click on next. Click on finish. All right. Now you see, you are able to see what? 150 GB.
150 GB.
Hmm. Now on the left hand side, go to the server dashboard. File and storage. File and storage. File and storage. Below. File and storage. Uh, Now go to disk. Okay. Now you see this is unknown. You see 512 GB. This is unknown. Right click on it.
Yes.
First, you have to initialize the disk. Click on
Okay.
initialize. Click on yes. Okay. Now
GPT.
you see it is online.
Hmm.
Now go to that one. Disk management.msc. At the bottom you see next to server manager icon on the taskbar you see there is one more icon. No, bottom taskbar. Not there. Click on it. Now next to X button on the left hand side. Uh, left hand side. Click on it. Refresh. Click on it.
This one.
Yeah. Scroll down. Now you see this is unallocated, 512 GB. Now right click on it. Now click on new simple volume. New simple volume. Click on next. Now you have to, click on next. Now this is the letter which is assigned E.
E.
Click on that E letter. No, click. Go back now. So it is on you which letter you wanted to assign. So B, C, C, D, E. E letter we assign. If you want to assign G, E, it's on you.
Okay.
Okay, now click on next. Next. Now this is wait, go back, go back, go back. In the volume label is what new volume. Now type in data, private data disk. Yes. Now click on next. Now click on finish. Now you see this 512 GB private data disk. Click on refresh again.
Yes.
Refresh. Refresh again. It is formatting. You see that status formatting? It is formatting. Once it is format, it will get deleted. Scroll down. You see there is only one partition, private data disk E. Now go to that folder, Windows, your folder, C drive, D drive, File Explorer. Now refresh. On the top, yeah, you see you are able to see the disk, private disk, data disk. So this is
Yes.
how we add a disk and this is how we delete a disk. You want me to continue with another session or you want me to stop over here? Tell me guys. So we have completed resizing the machine and we have completed a disk. Any questions for me, guys? Shall we stop over here? Hello.
No.
No question.
No.
Okay, so we will be done for today, and
Okay.
from next meeting, okay, next Saturday we will discuss about encryption and decryption of the data on the disk
Okay.
level.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Okay. All right. See you then.
Yes.